welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Oyaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler and a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their master ships in the water. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course we'll be compensated for the generous loan of your ship. And assistance will get the supplies they need. It is time to go back. This is try to work together now. Your lives and profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you may have heard, my friends, when you work for Oyaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Oh, that's what you mean by system failure. Of course, I repaired the power couplers. I mean, not personally, but I had someone repair them. I think I had someone repair the power couplers. Never mind that. R5, access the emergency power supply. Offline. What good is an emergency power supply if it's not ready in an emergency? This is unacceptable. I have a ship ready, a crew waiting, and nobody is making me any money. Does anyone have a lantern, a lightsaber, a little... this is ridiculous. Follow the crew member and we'll get this fixed right away, my friends. Go, go, go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it.
Thanks, Bernie.
Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Can do it.
Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners!
Down.
We need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Ah, there it is. After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Hey, now gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes!
Brakes got great.
Well, my friends, that could have been much
Oh,
worse.
yeah.
Okay.
When they light up,
It's much
when they
worse.
light up.
Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends! Power up the ship! Well, I have the gold axiom! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and pull us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking quickly, shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. You have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. It's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be the mark. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
It's a green button.
Time for you to go.